Hi guys, so in today's video we will learn how to make these cute little hearts. To make this heart we will first make a magic ring. For that you have to take yarn and wrap it around your finger, then make a loop, insert your crochet hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Then we are going to make 3 chains. This is our first chain, then our second chain and then our last third one. Our 3 chains are ready. Here is a close-up look at the first, second and our third chain. After making 3 chains, we will work 3 triple crochet into the magic ring. For that we have to yarn twice, 1 and 2. Next we will insert a hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. You will be left with 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. You will be left with 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over again and then pull through the next 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again for the last time and pull through both these loops. And your first triple crochet is ready. We will follow the same step to make the other 2 triple crochets. Let's see everything again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the magic ring. You will have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through only the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops and yarn over again for the last time and pull through both these loops. Our second triple crochet is also ready. Follow the exact step to make the third and the last triple crochet. Our all 3 triple crochets are ready. So this is our first chain that we made, our 3 chains. Then next is our set of 3 triple crochets. So now we are going to make 4 double crochets into the magic ring. For that, yarn over once and you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes your first double crochets. We'll follow the same step to make the other 3 double crochets. Our 4 double crochets are ready. Let me take you all through what we have made so far. So this is our 4 double crochets, then our 3 triple crochets, and next we have our chain. We have completed half of the heart. Now we will work only 1 triple crochet which will act as a divider between the set of stitches that we made. Which set of stitches? That 3 chains, 3 triple crochets and 4 double crochets. All this together make a one whole complete set of stitches. I have already taught you all how to make a triple crochet, so follow that same step to make one. After completing a triple crochet, we will move in the reverse direction. What does that mean? It means that at first we had made 3 chains, 3 triple crochets and 4 double crochet. But from here we will make first 4 double crochets, then 3 triple crochets, and we will complete our heart with 3 chains and then slip stitch. So now make 4 double crochets into the magic ring. Here we have completed our 4 double crochets. We will move next toward of making 3 triple crochets. Our 3 triple crochets are ready. Next we will make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. And then we will slip stitch this chain into a magic ring. For that, insert your hook, pull out the thread and make it slip through the loop that's already there on your hook. And at last we will just cut this yarn. Finally, to tighten the center of the heart, we will just pull the yarn which is there on the back side. This was the whole process of making a crochet heart. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.